Whist is a four-player card game where players try to win tricks to score points. At the start of the game, players split into two teams of two and choose a dealer. The dealer gives each player 13 cards, one card at a time, face down, beginning with the player on their left. The last card for the dealer is dealt face up. This card is the trump card. The cards are ranked with ace being the highest and 2 being the lowest, with the trump-suited card outranking all other cards. For example, if the trump suit is diamond, a 2 of diamonds outranks a 10 of clubs. The player on the dealer's left leads first and may play any card, with play continuing clockwise. Each player in turn plays a card, following suit if possible. When it is the dealer's turn to play to the first trick, they pick up the trump card and it becomes part of the dealer's hand. Then they play a card to the trick. If a player cannot follow suit, they may play any card. 4 cards played, including the card led, constitute a trick. A trick is won by the person who played the highest trump. Any trick not containing a trump is won by the person who played the highest card of the suit led. The winner of each trick leads next. Play continues until all of the cards are gone. When it is time to count scores, each trick won is worth 1 point. The team with the most points at the end of play wins the game.